In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add Instagram link to Facebook. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the top left. Once you're over here, click on the option Edit Profile. Now scroll down. Here you're going to find this section of links. Click on the option Edit. Now click on the option Add New Link. Here you're going to find different platform option. Click on the option Instagram as you want to add Instagram link. Now here, type in your username. Once you type in, click on Save. With that, your Instagram has been linked to your Facebook. Now it will be available on your profile. Now whenever someone clicks on the Instagram link, they will be directed to your Instagram account. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily add Instagram link to Facebook. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.